Welcome to my channel. Nest Wi-Fi Router Setup. 1. Unboxing. Remove the Nest Wi-Fi router and its power adapter from the box. 2. Power. Plug the power adapter into the Nest Wi-Fi router and then into a power outlet. 3. Download Google Home app. Ensure you have the Google Home app installed on your smartphone or tablet. This app is available for both iOS and Android devices. Four. Open Google Home app. Open the Google Home app on your device. 5. Add new device. Tap on the icon to add a new device. 6. Scan QR code, if applicable. You might be prompted to scan the QR code on the bottom of your Nest Wi-Fi router to begin setup. If not, follow the on-screen instructions in the app. 7. Create network name and password. Create a network name, SSID, and password for your Wi-Fi network. This will be used to connect your devices to the Nest Wi-Fi router. 8. Connect devices. Once setup is complete, connect your devices, computers, smartphones, tablets, etc., to the newly created Wi-Fi network using the SSID and password you set up. Thanks for watching.